Something else trending today, and listen up. We're talking about Serena Williams' letter to her own mom after she just became a mother herself. In this letter, Serena talks about the criticism she's had to endure. Here's part of what she has to write. Dear Mom, you're one of the strongest women I know. I was looking at my daughter and she has my arms and legs. I don't know how I would react if she has to go through what I've gone through since I was a 15-year-old and even to this day. I've been called a man because I appeared outwardly strong. It has been said that I use drugs. It has been said I don't belong in women's sports, that I belong in men's because I look stronger than many other women do. But Mom, I'm not sure how you did not go off on every single reporter, person, announcer, and quite frankly, hater who was too ignorant to understand the power of a black woman. I am proud we were able to show them what some women look like. We don't all look the same. It's pretty powerful stuff. Let me know what you think of Serena's letter on Twitter. Use the hashtag #OffScriptOnline.